Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to recover the deleted files from OneDrive. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to recover the deleted files on OneDrive. Let's just say I deleted a few files by mistake. Let's say I deleted, and now I want to restore it. Well, here's how you can do it. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the left corner of the screen. At the left corner, you will see some few options, namely Home, Files, but the thing we're looking for is simply called as Recycle Bin. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Do note, it's gonna give you a few options like empty the recycle bin or restore all items. Do note that you can restore only the items that you wish as well. You can do it individually. I'm simply going to click on the items that I want to restore. As you can see, I'm selecting it, and at the top you will see these two buttons, delete and restore. Simply hit on the restore button right here, and guys, that's it. As you can see, the items have been restored. And guys, that is the gist of it. That's how we recover your deleted items in OneDrive. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.